Hello everyone, this is a project of creating a 3D model of interior building by using Parrot AR drone 2. You can control the drone with a smartphone or tablet. As you can see, we use AR.Drone Free Flight 2.4 application for controlling a drone. This is also another shot of pilot screen which allow you to control the drone in different elevation. Our project first step is capturing different videos by drone. The drone records high definition video. As we fly, the HD video is recorded and sent via Wi-Fi directly to our device. It's good to mention that we can also save the captured videos on USB flash drive, which is already connected to the drone. In this part of the project, the captured videos are converted to the photos JPG format by using free software converter. As you can see, the software has different options which enable us to extract how many frames we want from videos. For example, in this part of the project, we chose total 250 frames from video. The video is selected, and now the process of converting video to photos started. And here are photos which are ready for the next step. The next part is creating the 3D model. For this purpose, we selected an online software, Autodesk ReCap 360. It should be mentioned an Autodesk account is needed to sign into the software. As you can see, this is the software homepage. First, we create a new photo project and chose name and format of the files. There are different file formats, and regarding to our need, we selected RCS, which enable us to use the model later in the other software like Autodesk Revit. And then we insert the converted photos, and after waiting for uploading, submission is done. Finally, the 3D models are ready. You can download and open it in Autodesk ReCap Pro. As you will see, we have prepared a series of models from different parts of the Concordia AV buildings.